NAND and NOR implementation. Digital circuits are frequently constructed with NAND or NOR gates rather than with AND and OR gates. NAND and NOR gates are easier to fabricate with electronic components and are the basic gates used in all IC digital logic families. Because of the prominence of NAND and NOR gates in the design of digital circuits, rules and procedures has been developed for the conversion from Boolean function given in terms of AND, OR, and NOT into equivalent NAND and NOR logic diagrams. NAND circuits. The NAND gate is said to be a universal gate because any digital system can be implemented with it. To show that any Boolean function can be implemented with NAND gates, we need only show that the logic operations of AND, OR, and complement can be obtained with NAND gates alone. This is shown in this figure. The complement operation is obtained from a one input NAND gate that behaves exactly like an inverter. The AND operation requires two NAND gates. The first produces the NAND operation and the second inverts the logic sense of the signal. The OR operation is achieved through a NAND gate with additional inverters in each input. A convenient way to implement a Boolean function with NAND gates is to obtain the simplified Boolean function in terms of Boolean operations and then convert the function to NAND logic. The conversion of an algebraic expression from AND, OR, and complement to NAND can be done by simply circuit manipulation techniques that change AND OR diagram to NAND diagram. To facilitate the conversion to NAND logic, it is convenient to define an alternative graphic symbols for the gate. Two equivalent graphic symbols of the NAND gates are shown in this figure. The AND invert symbol has been defined previously and consists of an AND graphic symbol followed by a small circle negation indicator referred to as a bubble. Alternatively, it is possible to represent a NAND gate by an OR graphic symbol that is preceded by a bubble in each input. The invert OR symbol for the NAND gate follows De Morgan's theorem and the convention that the negation indicator denotes complement. The two graphic symbols representations are useful in the analysis and design of NAND circuits. When both symbols are mixed in the same diagram, the circuit is said to be in mixed notation. Two-level implementation of NAND gates. The implementation of Boolean function with NAND gates required that the function be in sum of product form. to see the relationship between a sum of product expression and its equivalent NAND implementation, consider the logic diagram shown here. All three diagrams are equivalent and implemented the same function. F is equal to AB plus CD. The function is in diagram A is implemented with AND and OR gates, and in diagram B it is implemented with AND gates are placed by NAND gates, and OR gate is replaced by a NAND gate with an OR invert graphic symbol. Remember that previously we discussed that a bubble denotes complementation, and two bubbles along the same line represent double complementation, so both can be removed. Removing the bubbles on the gates of B diagram produces the circuit of A diagram. Therefore, the two diagrams implemented the same functions and equivalent. In diagram C, the output NAND gate is redrawn with the AND invert graphic symbol. In drawing NAND logic diagrams, the circuit shown in either B diagram or C diagram is acceptable. The one in B diagram is in mixed notation and representation a more direct relationship to the Boolean expression it implements. The NAND implementation in C diagram can be verified algebraically. The function is implements can easily be converted to sum of products form by using De Morgan theorem. F is equal to AB complement and CD whole complement, and then whole complements of these both terms is equal to AB plus CD. This example implements the Boolean function F is equal to sum of products 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 with NAND gates. The first step is to simplify the function into sum of product form. This is done by means of K-map diagram, from which the simplified function is obtained, that is F is equal to x y complement plus x complement y plus p. Then the two-level NAND implementation of this function is shown in diagram B, which is a mixed notation implementation. Note that input Z must have a one input NAND gate, an inverter to compensate for the bubble in the second level gate. An alternative way of drawing the logic diagram of this function is given in diagram C. Here all the NAND gates are drawn with the same graphic symbol. The inverter with input Z has been removed, but the input variable is complemented and denoted by Z complement. These are the rules for implementing two-level NAND implementation. The procedure described in the previous example indicates that a Boolean function can be implemented with two levels of NAND gates. The procedure for obtaining the logic diagram from a Boolean function is as follows. Number one, simplify the function and express it in sum of product form. Number two, draw a NAND gate for each product term of the expression that has at least two literals. The input to each NAND gate are the literals of the term. The procedure produces a group of first level gates. Number third, draw a single gate using the NAND invert the invert or symbol in the second level with inputs coming from output of first level gates. Number four, a term with a single literal requires an inverter in the first level. However, if the single literal is complemented, it can be connected directly to an input of the second level NAND gate. Here is another example of two-level implementation using NAND gates. Function is given as f is equal to ab plus cd plus e. First of all, we simplify this function by using K-map and express it in sum of product form if it is not already in the proper product of form. If it is already in proper sum of products form, then we ignore this step. In second step, we implement this function by using simple AND or NOT gates, which is shown in diagram A. In diagram A, we see that function f is equal to ab plus cd plus e is implemented with two AND gates and one OR gates. First AND gate use AB products and second AND gate produces second product, which is CD. Then the output of these two AND gates is summed with third literal, that is E, and we use an OR gate to produce the output. In diagram B, we convert these three basic gates into NAND gates. To convert AND gate into a NAND gate, we simplify places a bubble at the output of these AND gates. And to convert an OR gate into a NAND gate, we simplify places a bubble in the input side of OR gate. Then we simplify this B diagram and totally represent this diagram into NAND gates, which is shown in diagram C. Here we easily see that all these literals are replaced with simple NAND implementation. The difference between diagram B and C is Diagram B is a mixed notation and C is a simplified notation. Multi-level NAND gates. The standard form of expressing Boolean function results in a two-level implementation. There are occasions, however, when the design of digital systems results in getting structures with three or more levels. The most common procedure is in the design of multi-level circuits is to express the Boolean function in terms of AND, OR, and complement operations. The function can then be implemented with AND and OR gates. After that, if necessary, it can be converted into an all NAND circuit. Consider, for example, the Boolean function f is equal to a into cd plus b plus bc complement. Although it is possible to remove the parentheses and reduce the expression into standard sum of product form, we choose to implement it as a multi-level circuit for illustration. The AND OR implementation is shown in A diagram. There are four levels of gating in the circuit. The first level has two AND gates. The second level has an OR gate followed by an AND gate in the third level and OR gate in the fourth level. A logic diagram with the pattern of all alternating levels of AND and OR gates can easily be converted into NAND circuit with the use of mixed notation, and it is shown in diagram B. The procedure is to change every AND gate to NAND gate, performs the same logic as the AND OR diagram as long as there are two bubbles along the same line. The bubbles associated with input B causes an extra complementation which must be compensated for by changing the input literal to B complement. The general procedure for converting a multi-level AND OR diagram into all NAND diagram using mixed notation is as follows. Number one, convert all AND gates to NAND gates with AND invert graphic symbols. Number two, convert all OR gates to NAND gates with invert OR graphic symbols. Number three, check all the bubbles in the diagram for every bubble that is not compensated by another small circuit along the same line. Insert an inverter, mean one input NAND gate, or complement the input literal. As another example, consider the multi-level Boolean function f is equal to into a b complement plus a complement b and to c plus b complement. The AND OR implementation implementation of this function is shown with 3 levels of gating. The conversion of NAND with mixed notation is presented in part B of the diagram. The 2 additional bubbles associated with input C and D bar causes these 2 literals to be complemented of C bar and D. The bubbles in the output NAND gate complement the output value. So we need to insert an inverter gate at the output in order to complement the signal again and get the original value back.